Hello students, welcome back to the channel. Now this video onward we will discuss the further part of similarity. So let's start. Now student, let's solve the sum based on the concept of similarity. Now in this figure, AB is given perpendicular to BC and BQ is given perpendicular to AC. You are asked to prove that triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB. Apart from that, AP is given 7, BQ is given 8, BC is given 12 and you are asked to find AC. CPA. This is the CPA triangle which I am shading with the red color. Other triangle is CQB. This one. Now when you observe both the triangles, in both the triangles, one of the angle is right angle. So in the red triangle, this one is 90-degree angle. The one which I have shaded with green color, in that this angle is 90-degree. In both the triangle, this angle C is the common angle. So we can prove that both the triangles are similar by AA test. So let's prove. Now in triangle, sequence you have to take whatever they have given. In triangle CPA and triangle CQB, very first point I can write that angle APC is congruent to angle BQC. Why both are congruent, students? Because each of them is of 90-degree. Other angle is angle ACP is congruent to angle BCQ. Why both are congruent? Because it is the common one. So the reason you have to write common angle. Okay. Now based on this, now we can conclude that triangle CPA is similar to triangle CQB by AA test of similarity. Okay. Now once the triangles are similar, you can write the ratio of their corresponding sides. So your CP upon CQ will be equals to PA upon QB. In turn, your CA will be in proportion with CB. They are the corresponding side. Now, BQ, AQ is given. Okay, AP is given. QB is given. BC is given. You are asked to find AC. So, you have to take last these ratios. Your AP is 7. QB is 8. AC. CA means AC only. And BC is given 12. When you cross multiply, your AC will be 12 into 7 upon 8. 4 2s are 4 3s are. So you will get 21 by 2. What's 21 by 2, students? Yes, 10.5. They have not given centimeters, so keep it as 10.5 only. Now student, let's solve this sum. ABCD is a trapezium in which it is given AB is parallel to CD, AB is given 20, DC is given 6, OB 15 and you are asked to find out the value of OD. Now I've shaded two triangles COD and AOB. We have to prove that these two triangles are similar. Now lines are parallel, so this angle whichever I am marking, that is CDO, will be congruent to angle OBA. Same way, this angle is congruent to this angle. Why? Lines are parallel, so they are alternate angles. Same way, this angle is congruent to this angle, vertically opposite angle. So anyway, two angles you have to take and you have to prove that both the triangles are similar by AA test. So let's start solving. In that, first I will take the name of the first triangle randomly. OCD and triangle O. Then I've taken CD. The C part is congruent to this one. So the sequence will be OAB. Now, first of all, any two triangles you can write. Angles you can write in any sequence. So, your angle COD is congruent to angle AOB. Reason for this, you have to write vertically opposite angle. I'm writing in short form, but you have to write in the full form. Second, anyone we can take alternate angle. Suppose I'm taking angle CDO. Then this angle will be congruent to angle OBA. Why they are congruent? Because they are alternate angles. Why they are alternate angle? Since AB is given parallel to CD. So you can say now your triangle OCD is similar to triangle OAB. Student, by which test two angles are proved? So it will be similar by AA test of similarity. Now, once the triangles are similar, their corresponding sides will be in equal proportion. Now, this concept we will take now. So what will be in the second point my ratio of the corresponding sides? It will be OC upon OA will be equals to CD upon AB, which in turn will be equals to OD upon OB. Okay, these are your corresponding sides of similar triangle. You can write corresponding side. Now in this AB, DC and OB is given. So I will take these two ratios and substitute the values. My DC is 6, AB is 20, OD is asked to calculate and OB is given 15. Now cross multiply. Therefore your OD will be 6 into 15 upon 20. Now you can reduce. 5 3s are, 5 4s are, 2 2s are, 2 3s are. 3 3s are 9, 9 by 2. 9 by 2 will be 4.5. So your OD is 4.5. Now student, let's solve one more sum. Now in this figure, triangle ABC is given and other triangle ADC. In that it is given that this angle is congruent to this full angle. And you are asked to prove that CA square equal to CB into CD. So full triangle and this small triangle we have to take. Now just look at the figure. When you consider both the triangles, then this is a common angle. And one already they have given. So we can prove them similar. So let's solve the sum. First, I am taking the larger triangle. So, in triangle A, B, C and triangle. How I have taken the sequence? Just see. I have taken the angle blue marked, then without marking, then red marking. So, other triangle you have to take as DAC. Sequence should be in a proper way. Then only you will get corresponding sides in a proper way. So your angle BAC is given congruent to angle ADC. This was given. Second angle, my angle ACB is congruent to angle DCA. Why it is common angle? It is common angle. So therefore, triangle ABC is similar to triangle DAC. Two angles have proved they are congruent. So by AA test of similarity. Now once both the triangles are similar, we can write their ratio of corresponding sides, students. Correct? So in the next part, I can write the corresponding sides. When we write the corresponding sides, your AB upon D. Same way when I take BC, so upon AC I have to write. Third part, AC upon DC. These are my corresponding sides. Now what I have to prove? I have to prove that CA square, CA or AC is one and the same thing. So when you take last two ratios and cross multiply, AC into AC is AC square, then BC into DC. This only just asked to prove. It is asked that CA square equal to CB into CD. Instead of this, we can write CA. Instead of BC, we can write CB, one and the same thing. And instead of DC, we can write CD. So hence proved. Students, thanks for watching this video. Hope you have understood whatever I explained in this video. If you like the video, share and subscribe. Thank you.